Please subscribe PARDHU Tech channel, like it and share it. Ninth class, chapter 2, The Sound of Music, the Shahnai of Bismillah Khan. Pick the right answer. The Shahnai or Pungi was a reeded noisemaker. Answer: the Pungi was a reeded noisemaker. Dash transformed the Pungi into a Shahnai. Barbar transformed the Pungi into a Shahnai. Next, third one. Bismillah Khan's paternal ancestors were dash. Answer: Bismillah Khan's paternal ancestors were professional musicians. Next, fourth one. Bismillah Khan learned to play the Shehnai from dash. Answer: Bismillah Khan learned to play the Shehnai from Ali Bucks. Fifth one. Bismillah Khan's first trip abroad was to dash. Answer: Bismillah Khan's first trip abroad was to Afghanistan. Next, second one. Find the words in the text which showed Ustad Bismillah Khan's feelings about the items listed below. Then mark a tick in the correct column. Discuss your answer in class. Bismillah Khan's feelings about positive and negative and neutral. First one, teaching children music, positive. The film world, negative. Migration to the USA, negative. Playing at temples, neutral. Getting the Bharat Ratna, positive. The banks of the Ganga, positive. Leaving Benares and Umrah, negative. Answer the questions in 30 to 40 words. Why did Aurangzeb ban the playing of the Pungi? Why did Aurangzeb ban the playing of the Pungi? Answer: Aurangzeb banned the playing of the Pungi because of the shrill, unpleasant sound of the instrument. Second question. How is a Shahnai different from a Pungi? Answer: a Shahnai's stem is hollow, longer and broader than that of a Pungi. Shahnai has holes in its body. Third one. Where was the Shahnai traditionally played? How did Bismillah Khan change this? Answer: traditionally, Shahnai was a part of the Nawad, a traditional ensemble of 9 instruments found at royal courts. It was played in temples and at marriages. Bismillah Khan took it onto the classical stage. Fourth one. When and how did Bismillah Khan get his big break? Answer: Bismillah Khan got his big break with the opening of All India Radio in Lucknow in 1938. He became an often heard Shahnai player on radio. Number 5. Where did Bismillah Khan play the Shahnai? On 15 August 1947. Why was the event historic? Answer: Bismillah Khan played the Shahnai from the Red Fort on 15 August 1947. He was the first Indian to greet the nation with his Shahnai. The event was historic because that is the day when India got independence. Bismillah Khan played Rag Kafi to an audience that included Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Sixth one. Why did Bismillah Khan refuse to start a Shahnai school in the USA? Answer: Bismillah Khan refused to start a Shahnai school in the USA because he did not want to leave his country. he felt an unbreakable bond with his towns, Dumran and Banaras and with the river Ganga. Next, seventh one, find at least two instances in the text which tell you that Bismillah Khan loves India and Banaras. Answer two instances in the text which tell us that Bismillah Khan loves India and Banaras are given below. He says that whenever he is in a foreign country, he keeps yearning to see Hindustan. He also says that when he is in Mumbai, he thinks of only Benares and the Holy Ganga. Thinking about language. The school sports team hopes. Answer, the school sports team hopes to win the competition. We all want, we all, we all want to succeed in our lives. They advise the hearing impaired child's mother. Answer. They advise the hearing impaired child's mother to take care of the child. The authorities permitted used to, the authorities permitted us to answer. The authorities permitted us to perform the dance in the stadium. A musician decided to answer. A musician decided to play the music in front of an audience. Next, from the text on Bismillah Khan, find the words and phrases that match these definitions and write them down. The number of the paragraph where you will find the word or phrases has been given for you in brackets. The home of royal people, royal residence. The state of being alone, solitude. Next, a part which is absolutely necessary, indispensable. Fourth one, to do something not done before, invent. Fifth one, without much effort, effortlessly. Sixth one, quickly and in large quantities, thick and fast. Pick the right answer. When something is revived, it lives again. When a government bans something, it wants to stop. When something is considered auspicious, welcome it. Fourth one, when we take to something, we find it interesting. When you appreciate something, you find it good and useful. When you replicate something, you do it for the second time. When we come to terms with something, it is no longer upsetting. Next, dictionary word. So, adjective only before noun, not before noun, not before noun, both before and after the verb be. First one, indispensable. So, both before and after the verb be. Impressed, not before noun, both before and after the verb will be. Afraid, not before noun, both before noun and after the verb will be. Outdoor, only before noun. Paternal, only before noun. Countless, only before noun. Priceless, only before noun, and both before and after the verb be. Please subscribe PARDHU Tech channel, like it and share it. ఎల్లవేళలా మీ మీకోసం పాటుపడే మీ ముత్తం శెట్టి పాత్సాది. థ్యాంక్ యూ.